What is this in your back seat?
What is what?
It was just chilling back there. Like, what is this? What is this?
Hey, shit, relax.
What is this?
Relax.
What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? Lip gloss? I don't wear lip gloss.
You don't wear lip gloss?
I wear Fenty.
You don't wear lip gloss?
Not this kind. I wear pink lip gloss. What is this?
You don't wear lip gloss?
I wear pink. You see pink on my lips. Look. This is not the same thing. What is this? What is that?
What is up, YouTube? You know what I'm saying? It's DominionTRK and I'm back with another video. Bro, I know I just dropped a video. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, didn't I like just drop a video? You know what I'm saying? Bro, like I be dropping all these videos, bro, you know what I'm saying? Y'all be watching them, they be enjoying the videos.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying? Wow.
I think they enjoy us together. That's what it is.
I think they do too. I think, you know what I'm saying? I think it's just like when we together, the vibe and the aura is just transfers through the camera. You know what I'm saying? And then it's like, even they can feel it. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's one thing for us to feel it, but then they can feel it.
And if y'all wondering what is this on his shirt, it's my makeup. I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all know I just got it on his shirt. I didn't mean to do it.
Y'all, this shirt cost so much. And she got makeup on it. But we don't care though. You don't think we have emotion? You don't think we getting money? You don't hear my niggas lying? You don't think my niggas done? Man, stop playing with the kid, bro. Hey, I might as well throw it away now.
No!
I might as well throw the shirt away. I don't need it. I'm supposed to keep the shirt.
Yes, you could wash it. It's gonna come off. It's his makeup.
But I'm saying I could throw it away. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, like, it ain't like,
okay, I guess.
Come on, there you go, song. She say she like on me. Fly it in the chat, baby. Fly it in the E. You not gonna finish the legs? Hey, don't push my arm like that, bro. Hey, bro. Why you push my arm like that?
It's so little compared to yours.
Y'all, she got all these tats. But when you gonna get that tat of me?
He want me to get him tatted. He want me to get his name tatted so bad. Like,
I feel like that's like like question of the year. You know what I'm saying? When am I gonna get tatted?
You need to get him a tattoo, like a little one that says Emily, E-M-I-L-Y. My name.
But I don't got
in red.
But I don't in red.
Yeah, cause it's hard.
It's gonna be stand for like love or something.
And then put a heart by it.
So if I did that, what would happen?
Oh, that's me. But look.
Are you for real?
No, that's not for me. I said.
Y'all, she joking.
Could be from you shaving your neck. Anyways.
Shaving my neck.
So.
When's the last time I shaved my neck? Who shaves their neck? Nah, let's talk about why did they go so far in that prank, bro?
Cause they gotta protect.
Cause I think he was just doing it just for show, or like he was actually about to.
I feel like he wasn't gonna do it for real.
He was just trying to like
let you know.
Let the nigga know something.
Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, it was far though.
I kinda got.
He did start flashing like for real, like.
Even if you had the
what is that?
If I had to hold
What is that? What is that?
What is what?
Back there, what is that? What is this in your back seat?
What is what?
It was just chilling back there, like, what is this? What is this?
Hey, shit, relax.
What is this?
Relax.
What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? Lip gloss? I don't wear lip gloss.
You don't wear lip gloss?
I wear Fenty.
You don't wear lip gloss?
Not this kind. I wear pink lip gloss. What is this?
You don't wear lip gloss?
I wear pink. You see pink on my lips. Look. This is not the same thing. What is this? What is that?
Why did you just throw it at me?
What is that?
Why
What is that?
Why did you just throw it at me?
Because I'm not finna play with you. What is that?
It's a lip. Why you keep, bro? How you gonna throw it at me and then try to grab it?
What is this?
It's a lip gloss.
And then it's like MAC. I don't wear MAC. I wear Sephora. What is?
Bro, what you like? Why are you messing with the camera, bro? Bro, why are you looking at? Bro, okay, stop.
I'm gonna throw your phone and your camera out the window.
Why would you do that?
Because you playing with me like
I need time.
Like,
can I not have time?
No time.
We're young. We're young.
Okay, I don't
You're
care about
young.
that. Like, that's okay. No, you shouldn't have left this in here. That's disrespectful. Like,
to who?
To me, yeah. To me.
You think she did it on purpose?
No, you seen it back there. You just left.
I didn't see it back there.
You could have like put it in here.
I didn't see it back there. Okay, so you saying it's okay if I just need some time to get my stuff together, and you saying
I don't care about
dang.
None of that. I don't care about none of that you talking about. Matter of fact, go get your phone. 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 I'm not finna play with you. Like,
bro, you threw my phone. You threw my phone. Bro, why you throw my phone? That's too far.
I don't care.
That's
you want to keep playing with me? You want to keep playing with me, and then back and forth with me and old girl?
Bro, I'm not trying to. Bro, her name is Maddie, but you like, I'm not trying to. Look, you got my Bluetooth disconnecting, bro, because the phone
I don't
too
care.
far away.
I don't care about none of that you talking about. Don't care. Don't care. Don't care. Don't care. Don't look for it.
Bro,
Can't find it.
help me find my phone, bro. You better be lucky it landed in the grass.
Oh, what?
Now if I would through your phone.
But I'm not doing the same thing you doing though. This is the difference between me and you. I'm not doing this. I'm not doing the same thing you doing. Like,
So you gonna keep abusing me?
I'm not abusing you. You brought this on yourself, remember?
So what my phone would have cracked?
It didn't.
So you knew it was grass over there. You knew it was grass over there. What if it was concrete, bro?
Okay, then that would have been what it was. I really wouldn't care.
So you're not gonna give me time?
Talking about some, oh, look at my name tatted. Da, 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 da. You wish.
So you're not gonna give me time?
You wish.
You're not gonna give me time?
You wish. Go get her name tatted. Go get her name tatted.
Bro, you know you like to laugh.
Go get her name tatted on you.
Huh?
I'll book an appointment right now. You can go tomorrow. Go get her name tatted. Go get.
You gonna book an appointment for me to go get her name tatted?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Alright, let's do it.
You want?
I'm just playing. I'm just playing.
No, he dead ass. Go get. You wanna do that?
I'm just playing.
No. It's not funny.
Bruh.
It's not funny. It's not funny.
Okay, so I really like can't like get time.
I don't care what you do. I don't care what you do. You can take all the time in the world. He clearly chose her.
I didn't choose nobody.
He clearly chose her.
I didn't choose nobody. I didn't choose nobody. I chose you. Walking along, hoping I run into you. It hurts. Wish I never said I love you first. I just want to give you the world. I buy you Birkin, he buy you Prada. Which one you proud of? Which one you proud of?
He trying to go back and forth between me and old girl. He hate when I say that. He trying to go back and forth. Like,
Maddie,
that's
girl.
cute, I guess.
Why you feel like I'm trying to go back and forth?
That's cute.
Why you feel like I'm trying to go back and forth?
That's cute. But he know where home is, so.
Like, are you still home to me?
Yeah, I am. But it's not cute. Can't be this. One day you gonna have to choose. And it's gonna be me!
Are you gonna beat me up?
I'm gonna beat you up. I'm gonna find you.
You gonna come find me?
Because I got your location.
For real?
Mm-hmm.
So you're not talking to no other dudes right now?
No.
Let me see your phone.
No, because let me see
Look at you. Look at you. Look at you, bro. Look at you, bro. Look at you, bro.
No.
Look at you, bro.
No, you're not finna do that because.
Look at you.
No, because you
Why are you laughing? What's funny? I didn't say a joke.
Let me see your phone. You want to swap phones?
Do you want to swap phones?
Do you want to swap phones?
Hey, I swap phones. I don't care about none of that.
Come on.
I don't care about none of that.
Come on. Come on.
You want to swap phones?
My phone open right now. Look, y'all. Come on. Ah! Got him! Got him! Got him! Talk to him.
You want to swap? I'll swap phones right now. I'll swap phones right now, bro. I'll do it right now.
Don't let him fool y'all. He lying. Like, see my phone open right now. You see?
All right. What's up? Don't try to play me like I'm scared or something. Cause I'll do it.
Okay, come on. He gotta delete some stuff. He gotta delete some stuff.
What I gotta delete? What I gotta delete? What do I have to delete?
He gotta delete some stuff.
My phone open.
He deleting stuff right now. Look at him. He on his phone.
I'm closing my tabs.
No, he got a freaking secret whatever messages.
I'm closing my tabs.
He got secret iMessages. Oh my god.
I'm closing my tabs. All right, come on. Gotta give me see your phone.
Visit. Give me your stuff. Look, I got his stuff.
So what, you wanna go to Instagram or something? Oh, who is this?
Wait a minute.
Who is this? The first message.
That is freaking. That's somebody I do content with. Don't even do that.
Oh, so this is somebody you do content with? This is somebody you do content with?
No, that's that I'm about to do videos with.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Dude.
Who? Oh, that's a homeboy. That's
so many. brothers.
No, that's literally the homeboy for real.
So many, bruh. I don't want to look through your phone no more, bro.
No.
I don't want to look through your phone, bro.
Look, I got him. Look, no. Look, yeah, Maddie.
Yeah.
You kidding? He took it right after. You know what? I don't even care.
Bro, why are you talking to other people?
That's not me. Why are you talking to other people? Why are you talking to other people? If you doing it, I can do it too, right?
Ain't no fun when the rapper got the game.
He's trying to hide his phone now.
Bro.
He's trying to hide his phone.
I'm trying to hide.
Please, bye. I don't got time for this. You wasting my time.
Hella bands like a stack together, take a strong nigga for the pull apart. I got on big